Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to teach you how to create a form in WordPress. In this tutorial we are using WP form plugins for creating the form. In this tutorial we can create different type of forms. Please subscribe our channel if you want to update with us with any new update when we are update it. Thanks for your watching. Let's see how to manage and how to create a form in WordPress using the WP form plugin. First of all, we are log into our WordPress dashboard. You can see on your screen, this is the main dashboard of the WordPress. In this area we are going to add a new plugin. That plugin name is WP form. This is very easy and best way to create different type of forms. We are going to adding the plugin section. There click the upload plugin. We already this plugin have in our computer, otherwise you can search here and use the plugins. I'm going to choose a file, plugins WP form. This will take few seconds to installation the form. I press the installation now button. This will be installed in few minutes. Please wait. After few moments we will be plugin installed successfully, and I am going to active the plugin. Press the active plugin button. After a few moments this plugin will be active successfully. After this will be introductory page. You can see on your screen. This will be help you in many ways. You can create the different type of forms using the help of this. But at this time we are going to WP form section in the dashboard. Press the all forms. You will be see all form that you already created in the WP form, but at this time today we are going to create a new form because we don't have any existing form today. I press the add new button. Is there different type of sections are available? Blank sample form, sample contact form, request equate form. This is already forms available for you. You can just click and use the forms, but at this time we are going to create a blank form. In this blank form you will be learn more than the predefined form. In this form we are enter the name of this form, customer record. This form name that we are going to our form, and select a template. We don't need having template, just a blank form. I'm click the blank form. In the blank form, in this next screen you will be see the different fields are available. You will be so enter the customer record. First we need the customer name. Is there some field available? Okay, I think I click the 2 times. Just first field, when I click here, then this will be create automatically. First name, last name, and the next one we are need customer phone number. Find the phone number, click here, phone number, place here. But I don't know why this add 2 times. Okay, and after this will be add address. Address section already added successfully. After this name, phone number, address, city, everything is included. We can need some more information if we are required. Email address we are required, and other if we are need paragraph we can use here, like more information about customer. In this section we are add the more information of this section. First form show us name, phone number, address. You can also set the required or not required. If you are click the required, this star line will be added. Address required or not required, email must required, you can change no required, or more further information required or not required, and you need submit button. After this we will click the saving button. After this the form will be saved. You can embed this using the shortcut into your page, and after this this form will be work in correctly. In the next video we will be work on the more on this form. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified by when we are uploaded any new video. Thanks for your watching.